If you're like me, you need to keep your spaces organized and neat, at work, at play, and on the road. It's all about keeping your stuff safe and secured. The E-Track rail system from DC Cargo Mall makes it easy to organize and secure everything you've got, and strap down anything for hauling. They're made of strong 12-gauge steel and covered in a durable black powder coat for a polished finish. These rails come in lengths of 2, 4, 5, 8, and 10 feet, and have slots every 2 inches, so you know you'll have a tie-down point wherever you need one. And installation is easy. Find the studs and position the rails to hit as many studs as possible. Then simply fasten with self-tapping screws or 1/4-inch bolts. Now you can use the dozens of E-Track attachments that are designed to snap right into the rails using the E-Track fittings. Store equipment so it's organized and out of the way. Use E-Track baskets, bags, hooks, and shelves. It's also so easy to haul just about anything. You can use straps with E-Track fittings. Or you can use standard straps and anchor them with E-Track O-rings or tie-offs. Do it once and do it right with the E-Track system. To keep your cargo this safe and organized, check out the full line of E-Track rail systems and accessories at dccargomall.com.